cut some limbs off.
Yeah?
I need them at least 16.5 inches minimum, and to make some cutting right there. Nothing out here we can't afford. Okay. Now we'll make something out of this one. I can reach up in here.
There you go. I think that one looks pretty good.
That's pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'll grab that one off. Here's one more. I like it when you don't have to leave limbs on them.
Yeah.
It's easy money. Spooked old tiger. Alright, you want to take a look at the bean row? Grab these
Sure.
limbs and put them in.
Lead the way.
Alright. Well,
Might be a little bit wet out here.
they're beat down too. But
Mhm,
they'll spring
yeah.
back up. Those are beets.
Mm-hmm.
They're crazy thick. That's the celeric. Celeric? That's what they call it.
Celery? Celery?
Celeric or chloric.
What's that for?
It's like a celery that grows in kind of a ball.
Oh, yeah?
I think it'd be great in a stew. I've never had any in my life. If it makes it, it's shady on this side for most of the day, then it gets a hot afternoon sun. But I think they can make it over here. And
Yeah.
then the beans.
We got a lot of water, a lot of
that
rain.
Kale, that's some kind of dwarf kale. And then this is the dinosaur kale. Let me go around here and jump down there. Or you got some of those pole beans.
So along the fence, these are beans, pole beans. I see how they're starting to really climb.
It's harder to get this butternut squash or winter squash to go in the fence, but I got some to go. Hopefully they'll grow up there.
You got butternut squash down there, huh? On that end?
Squash. So this is the dinosaur kale. It's pretty tough. It's doing pretty good. Got feet down, but it'll spring back up as soon as that dirt dries and falls off.
Yeah. We'll get some sunshine out here.
They're already putting
Be
out
nice.
some runner. They don't need a lot of help. They naturally tend to go. See, he's going to go with her. Somehow they find.
Yep.
the
Little
colors off
antennas.
there. We saw a really
Tiger,
good-
get up here. Come on, Tiger.
This one's really going in. I hope he gets over here. He's turning. We saw a really good show on YouTube about the knowledge of seeds and plants. They have this uncanny ability. And,
Tiger kitty. Come
I
here,
tried to
kitty.
explain that, just ended up making a fool out of myself. They're almost saying plants think. I know it's a little far out, but they
Well, it wouldn't surprise
think,
me.
or at least have the uncanny ability to. Well, how does that know? That fence is over here, that wire. How does it know to start turning that way? And they're trying to demonstrate it by a weed that grows a vine, and it automatically goes to another plant growing near it, and then it wraps it around it, and I guess it consumes that other plant. He showed it in slow-mo, like a bunch of still shots. It looked like super slow-mo, and that thing's going around and around, and eventually it zeroes in on the plant, and it goes to that one. That's what these guys do. He's going to go there getting that. These are Kentucky Wonder and some.
Hi, Tiger.
And and some blue
You
leg.
come and look at it.
They're all pole beans, but I planted cobra beans in here. One called cobra beans, which was a that's tired of hunting cat, and we had that late frost
Mhm.
in April, and there's a bean sprouting right there, and they apparently the frost killed them. There could be one or two that made it. This was all butter squash duck. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4 butternut, some kind of squash. Winter squash, butternut squash, they're different. They say if you cut one down without a permit, you go straight to prison. I didn't tell anybody my name, did I?
No.
It'll be all right. No, but it is the state tree.
Yeah. So we're just trimming it. We're not cutting it down.
Yeah, that's what we was doing. I'd like to cut it down. I'd get out here and cut it down. I guess I got to clear this garden out, and then I can cut it down. Gonna smash the garden, hit the side of the house, what kind of stuff.
I don't think we should do that.
Well, you heard it first. The first online disagreement was Mrs. Pepper Shack and Mr. Pepper Shack over the old tree.
Dan, what are you going to do with those sticks?
Well, I'll figure out how much is 60.5 inches, and then I'll cut it to fit. You want to inspect these? None of your beeswax, you little cat.
And add it to our new family.
The Pepper Shack Ranch has gone to the birds.
New members of the Pepper Shack Ranch.
This old cat, they never stop trying to control you.
Never.
Control you, protect you, bully you, whatever. This one's pretty gentle though.
Then you got to have your full attention at all times.